Click the Purchase Order button. Click the Order Group drop-down. Select the Purchase Orders order group. Click the Price Source drop-down. Select the price source that you want to use. If you're creating a purchase order for a vendor, select the vendor. Click the Job Phase drop-down. Select the job phase for this purchase order. Enter a PO number if needed. Click the Delivery Date calendar. Click the date on the calendar. Click the Deliver To drop-down. Select if you want the material delivered to the job site, your shop, or other. Make any notes that you want to be included in the purchase order. Select if you want additional data to be included in the purchase order. Vendor SKU. TurboBid's item editor includes a place to enter the vendor's SKU number. Prices. You can generate a purchase order with or without prices. Pictures. You can include or exclude pictures of the material. Click the OK button. Purchase order information. Purchase order number. Date of order. Job phase. Material vendor section. Vendor name. Vendor address. Sales rep name. Sales rep email. Sales rep phone number. Delivery information section. Delivery date. Delivery address. Customer contact. Customer contact phone number. Delivery note. Material category. Picture of material. Material quantity. Material description. UPC number. Manufacturer name. Catalog number. Price per each. Total price. Total purchase order price.